Hello, this is Feras. Today is the 26th of December. It's Wednesday, 2018. It is 6:35 a.m. in Reno, Nevada. We are going to answer this question: why a website? Why a website? And it's two parts. Why a website for website designer? Why a website? And why a website for a website designer? Why a website for a website designer? And in our situation here, we have a website designer that who provided three things. One, they provide website for a virtual place. They provide website designs for a virtual place. Okay, and they also provide hosting service. They provide hosting service, domains, and integrity, and they also provide multimedia services, media services. This is for promotional images, videos, and presentation 2D and 3D. 2D, two-dimensional images and animations, and 3D dimensional three-dimensional videos, images, and so on, for promotional images, for promotional videos, for presentation videos. They use the 2D and the 3D. Okay, so these are the ideas that these people provide. They provide a website designed for a virtual place. They didn't stop at this idea. They did want to they did continue with content management system, e-commerce, and so on, CMS systems. They provide some systems for for dynamic websites, and they provide e-commerce systems. Okay, and they also build forums, for example sales forums, they build contact forums, generating leads to help sales. Now these are the ideas that these people provide: 1, 2, 3. Now looking to them, let's find them. First of all, why website? You see these ideas here do matter for somebody. Like here's me, here's a business. If you said I'm a business, I do three things. One, like it's now 7 a.m. By 10 a.m. I will do some prospecting, I will do some presentations. After that I'm going for a meeting, presentation, and or telesales, and I'm going for sale. This is what I do. Like this is what a business. If you did say okay, business is a business. Now this website designer is this company here. Let's find their website. We did build an update for them. Okay, here's the old website. So they have a website. You can have access on them. If I said this information here, here's contact us. Let me find the phone number. Here's the phone number. The phone number is 77. Let me have the phone number first. It's 77553 and 6253. Okay, this is the phone number. Okay, this is their phone number. Good. 775-453-6353. If you said okay, I want to have access on this view, here's the phone system. But the question is, why a virtual place for these people. Okay, now we know that there is now to reach people, to reach people. Okay, we have sales, we have marketing, we have public relation, we have private relations, and also that's it, and so on. There's more than, like, there's customer service. Some people reach people with customer service opinion. Okay, I'm going for, like, how? Well, referral. Okay, so we have sales, the term sales, and that will be one-to-one. This will be one to one. Okay, this is how to reach people. Okay, and here marketing, that will be reaching more than one person. Marketing, that will be one to many. And public relation is one. Public relation is a little bit, here's public relation is one and to most of people, of people. Okay, can I minimize this text a little bit? Okay, and we have a private relation, or also PR. There's a private relation that will be one to students, for example. Students, that will be one to okay, students bar here. Let me minimize the student. Usually the students will be like, okay, he's like students, like he is five, like they are 5 years old, they are 10 years old, they are 21 years old, but I like a little bit, they are 25 years old. Okay, like the usual, like this label here, like, oh, he's student, like they believe. Now these people here, like, we handle the trust sales one-to-one. Like, I don't trust this son of a bitch. I don't trust these sons of a bitch. I don't. Now public relation, I don't. How we are get. Yeah, that will be the government shit, like public. Oh boy. Okay, but a little bit here, I can see here Donald Trump a little bit. He's funny. Here's Hillary. Here's Donald Trump. This is public relation. This is public relation. Okay, and this will be marketing or private relation. I don't know. Okay, let's get back a little bit here. Now, looking to this website designer, now we are going to ask why website. Well, website is you know, there's marketing, there's the well-known 4 B's for marketing: product, price, promotion, and place. Okay, so we are in a business here to help people, right? So if I'm going to help people, I have these options a little bit. Sales, like here's a sales team. These people are one-to-one, like we are going to reach people, human being at a time, or mind at a time, or person at a time. If I said marketing, this means that I'm going to reach more than one person. Like here's one of our team, and here's like 2,000 human being. This 2,000 human being, we are going to provide a value for them. Give me an example. Here's a video. You can watch this video, and more than one person can watch this video. And the other part is public relation. Public relation, like when we say a lot of people. Here is, for example, here's Donald, like let me see. Here's Donald Trump doing public. These lines here are public relation. Okay, these lines here. Do you see this amount of people here? 385, around 400,000. Okay, that will be a public relation. Here, like we have 36,000. This is 300. Like, do you see that different? Like, if she did one, she will have that 0 around. I don't know, but anyway. So looking to this, why we need a website? Why we need Facebook is a website. Okay, but I'm a website designer. Just a second. I'm a website designer. Okay, Why would I need a website? I want to communicate my ideas through a marketing virtual place. Now here I have a product, price, promotion, and place. Here I have a product, price, promotion, and place. But I'm dealing with, like, if you said people for sales, here's your product, here's your price, here's your promotion, and now to place. If I said the place is Mr. John place, Mr. John is just one person. Like, well, Mrs. Give me a name, Mrs. Stephanie or Tiffany. I don't know, like why? Well, it's Stephanie, like, or what did happen to the S? Like, well, sometimes they say it. Good. So if I said marketing, this mean product, price, promotion, and place. If I said public relation, this mean product, price, promotion, and place. But we add a story for that, or we might have a book for that. We are educating the public here, like we are educating everybody, like one chat, like, okay, here's everybody, okay, here's a video, okay, like what do I mean by these words? Sales, marketing, public relation. I mean by these words, count people, like count people. This will be a 1. If you do count people here, like you'll say, okay, 1,000, 2,000, and if you did count people here, good. So phone system will allow me to deal, like if you said here's a phone system, this will allow me to deal with one person. I can't, like if I'm here, if this one, okay, and here's two, I will say one person here. This is a phone system, okay. If I said here's one, me, this is the sales team here. If I said one, here's 1 to 1, okay. So if I said website, now let's see the website thing. Here's the website, okay. Here's their domain thing. If I did type the domain here, okay, here beside this, let me put this here. If I did type this and I said, okay, here's 1, okay, and I said 2, okay, here's 2. Now I can say many, right? I can say many, okay, and I can say most. I can say most. Now it's not 2, this is share. This word here is share, okay. Now this word here is cool. Now the word here is cool. Let me make it bigger a little bit. This word is cool, right? This one here is cool, or text, right? But here this word is share. One share it to many, one share it to the most of people, right? Okay, now they call this, did it call this like, okay, here's my website and I did share it with people, did it call it marketing? This one here, here's my phone number and I did call you, did it call this tele sales? Okay, now if I did have more than one person here on my team, still 1 to 1. Okay, if I did have a lot of people here and I have a lot of list here, still 1 to 1. I will call person at a time. But if I did share here a video, here's a video, here's a video, okay, this means this video is being shared, like you can see it more than one person. Here's more than one person can see it, okay. Now why a website? Again, why a website? It is about reaching people, okay. How would I reach people with a website? Sharing it, okay. Now to share something with people, this means this something have a value, right? Now how to present values? Now if we said, okay, here's a phone call, I'm doing a phone call right now, okay, I'm sharing with them the audio, we call that the presentation maybe, or the personal introduction, some questions and so on, and we are on the presentation now, okay. So just a second, if I said list of questions, if I have list of questions, okay, this mean I can educate people, or I can talk to people. Or if I said list of questions, okay, what I can do with list of questions. Here's somebody, listen, Feras, here's your list of questions. Okay, where's my list of answers? I want to see it. Like, here's my list of a question. What is going to happen if I did ask you this question? For example, what are you doing? What are you doing now? To what are you doing now to have more money? What are you doing to do, like, you, what are you doing now to have more money? Now, what you do, like, if you did ask me, Feras, I would say, okay, I'm going to do prospecting, I'm going to do some presentation, and sales equal, and for me sales equal income. I'll go for sales equal income. Okay, but this will, like, what is my option here? Like, I have a phone number, I can walk also, I can like, we have the word meeting. If you said meeting, if you said meeting, and I would say the same situation here. Well, meeting people, okay, I would say, oh, same story. I would say, okay, here's one also, here's one. I'll go with one, like one, and here's two. Okay, if you said meeting. But if you said list of questions, well, also meeting, list of questions. Okay, what do I expect at the end if you said list of questions? If you said meeting, if you said calls, if you said internet, blah blah blah, I would say, okay, we have a sales forum here. We have a sales forum. If I did started to fill that sales forum, well, I'm left with two options. Well, you are going to pay me with cash, or are you going to pay me with debt? It's up to you. Debt. Okay. So if you said list of questions, I will say workshop. This will be a workshop. Sure, I didn't ask you this question, what are you doing to have more money? Sure, I didn't ask you this question for, like, okay, he did ask me this question and he did move on. Okay, sure. Now I can say this list of a question can be a webinar. Sure, this list of a question can be a stage. Right? Sure, this list of question can be on a table. Sure, this list of a question can be on a phone. Here's a phone. Call. Phone. I can have this list of questions on a paper, right? Here's the paper. I have this. Here's this list of questions here. I can put it on a table. I can have it with me on a stage and ask it. Okay, and I can ask it on a webinar. I can ask it with a workshop and phone. Right. I can make it as a video. Right. I can type questions here, and I can make it as a video. I can make it with PowerPoint and answer it. Good. So what is a question? If you said, for example, a question here, what it is, like, what is the question thing? We are talking to people. Why is talking to people? Well, talking to people is a presentation, right? If we did talk to people here, at some point we are doing some presentation, right? Okay, what is, like, if you did speak about the questions, the why question is the 80%. The why question is the 80%. We describe it as that, and we describe the how question, that, like, the 80%, we will say the how. Now, if you did ask me why a website and how to build a website, I will tell you the how. And but why a website? Website is a system. Sharing it with people allow you to help them. The idea that I'm helping people. If I said I'm helping people with a telephone, here's my option, here's the phone number. Okay, here's the phone number again. I will take the numbers from here. Here's the number. If I said I'm helping people with the phone, if I said I'm helping people through the phone, through using a phone, here's that. And if you said I'm helping people through a table, well, here's my list of questions, right? This thing will be meeting, right? So here's a call, we can help you. Here's a meeting, well, to figure out if we can help you. And here we can to figure out if we can help you. And here's a website. Okay, now we can add on the website this thing. We can add videos, we can add webinars, we can add workshops, we can add phone numbers, we can add, okay, so one to many, one to one to one. Okay, here's a website, there's many. Now that you can change the word to most, you can change it. If you said, okay, here's Google, like there's a lot of people are using Google, that will be push marketing or advertising, promotion through this advertising system. If you said Facebook, well, most of people using Facebook. If you said Google Plus, most of you using Google Plus. If you said YouTube, for example, well, most of you using Google YouTube. Okay, so the idea that we are looking, what are you doing now to have more money? Well, I'm looking for people. I'm looking for people. If you said, okay, if I'm looking for people, what next? Let's count them. Count people, count money. Count people, count money. If you did count people, and how would you count money? Well, that would be sales forum. That will be the presentation. And if you did find a value here, we can help you. Okay? If you did find a value here, we can help you. But why a website? Sharing a website allow you to share your help with people. Sharing a website allow you to share your help with people. Sharing a phone number allow you to share your help with people. Here's this phone number. If this phone number for a doctor, if this phone number was for an engineer, somebody who can fix cars, if this phone number was for a plumber, okay, same story for a website. If we did share this, okay, we will have the option to call you back. You will have the option to call us. You will have an option to arrange a meeting. You will have an option to arrange an appointment. You will have the option to talk to the customer service. You will have an option to see our videos and values. You will have the option to figure out if we are a help or not within the proof of action that we have. In other words, website is still a paper, right? But a little bit this paper, type of paper, can have images as a value, can have videos as a value, can have webinars as a value, can have we can see this page more than one person at a time. Okay, so if this phone number is really a help for me, and they said, okay, 1-to-1, stay in the line, it's 1-to-1. Okay, now we can have here more than one person. Behind this we can have more than one person. Same story, phone system were updated to have more than one person. Phone system started to have more than one person, but still phone system 1-to-1. Okay, so to minimize, like what is happening here is a lot of people. Like if you did look to it, like here's a land and here's a lot of people. Okay, now phone system will like from like here's a city. Good. City, we will say okay, public relation. I will say this city public relation. Like there's in this city there's 10 million, there's 20 million. Okay, if I said here's this 3 mile square, 3 mile square, this was 3 mile square. Okay, this is 3 mile square, this is a city, this is 3 mile square, and it's really big. I would say marketing. Okay, here's marketing. I can say marketing, I can say sales, I can say sales, and you can say okay, here's a hotel. If I said marketing, okay, here's a hotel, and we have event room, hotel events room, for example, hotel events room, what you call it, what they call it, hotel events thing. I don't know. Okay, but usually we have like here's the event thing or concert location. Okay, stage and studio, I don't know. Okay, it's up to marketing at any time to pick the place. Okay, it's up to like marketing have this habit to pick the place every time. At some point they decided to go with virtual place. At some point marketing team here decided to go for a virtual place. Marketing is a product, price, promotion, and a place. Product, price, promotion, and a place. Now if you did look to the how, we have the idea. We have one idea to build a website. We have to design the design. We have structure to structure the virtual place structure, and we have 3 the design. We have the animation, and we have a programming to save people contact details and their payment information, for example a sales forum. We have pull marketing. We can have public relation here. The added value, like if you said what, like here's a public relation, here's a post from Hillary, here's a post from Donald Trump. Okay, they did use the same system here. They did provided that value and they share it with people. Okay, let's get back a little bit here. Public relation, for example, give me an example of a public relation. Here's a book. Write a book that will allow you to reach. This is a book. Why would I write a book? For public relation reasons. Why would I create a workshop? For marketing reasons. It depends on the audience. So the public relation, like okay, is it public relation or is it marketing? Well, count the people. Okay, is it sales or is it marketing? Well, here's just in this workshop we did have only one. Is that sales or marketing? Well, that's it. We did have only one. Like now, like in this event, we just have only one. Here we have just one. Okay, that will be what? That will be sales, like one-to-one sales, one-to-many marketing. Okay, more than one person. Well, we did have 2. Well, that is marketing. Okay, so pull marketing with a value, pull with a value, push with a value. Like pull marketing to this location, pull people to this location with a value, push people to this location with a value. Like pull, like you will find like this 60 minutes I was looking for this and like real estate investing program for years, and these people are doing it and providing it for free. Okay, and they also provide the service. They provide the coach for that. Okay, that will be, I did find the value on that event. That will be, would you like to go? You might find some way to generate some passive income with these people help. Like the workshop itself and its application is really like the free part is an amazing part, like pull. Now the push part is okay, we have this promotional video, we have this promotional images, and so on and so on, to advertising. We can push with Facebook. I can add an image and share it with people now, or an boosted thing. That will be push marketing. We also push with a value. Here's a webinar, here's a workshop, here's an image, here's a discount. Okay, marketing. Okay, 7, from a website here, what is that? Like, if you said here's people, what is happening? We are saving contact details, now for the sales. Now sales, here is your outbound calls. He's going to make calls. We call it outbound calls. Here's your outbound calls. Here's your appointments. Now we started to have it one-to-one, right? 1-to-1. They are on a state of mind. The situation, like when we one-to-one on state of mind, like on one-to-one, what it is about, what it is. They are just asking what it is about. So we have this list, like we did talk about list of questions. Right now, let me have this here a little bit like this. Okay, they are on what it is about, like what it is about. They are asking about your idea, like for example, what is a website, what is hosting services, what it is about, why should I have a hosting service? Well, this will be 24/7, 365 days. You can save these people contact details now, and this website now is shareable. You see, this ID, your IDs now are shareable. You can share it to do some pull marketing, you can share it to do some push marketing, and it's up to you. You can share it like, here's a TV screen, and you did share your website. That will be public relation. Here's a Facebook page to some celebrity, and he did share your website. Well, and that will be influence in public relation. Okay, and he or she did find the value in your help to people. Okay, now they also provide multimedia services. Why would I need multimedia services? Like, here's a high quality graphic. Here's why. Here's a 2D picture. Here's a 3D picture. Okay, you see these questions here? We are going to present it. Okay, I want to present a list of questions, as you can see, and maybe I'm going to use a 3D character, or maybe I'm going to use 2D character, or I'm going to use an animation bar to communicate my ideas. Well, why? Well, because a human being mind operate on images. Like, if I'm going to allow people to think, like to help people to think and communicate with them, okay, people think, like it's all about people, right? People do think, and they generate images. Okay, if I'm going to help them now, I had generated some image for them, like, but this was 2D image, this was a 3D image. Okay, now what is the list of the questions that we usually ask? Okay, why will be the 80%. Like, why a website reaching more people? This is this technology. If you did call someone, you will reach one person, right? If you did share a website, you will reach more than one person. If you are going to help your sales team with leads, your marketing team is going to share the virtual place. Now, usually marketing will share the sales location or address with people, like, we are located at this location. Okay, and you can find a workshop, like you can find a workshop within these times, like you can select now. Okay, he would say, okay, I will go with the workshop at 12:05. Okay, he will be at 12:05. Can you please provide me with your name, your phone number, and so on? Okay, so we can reserve your seat with our free investing course? He will say yes. Okay, so he did find a value, and he's looking to invest. He is looking for investing course. Now investing mean a lot of things to a lot of people. Okay, but here's, he have his own why. Now we have our own how. There's more than one opinion, so everyone have his own how. And who, why and how and who and what and where and when. Okay, these are type of question that we ask to provide some of it, like why this thing, how this thing, why a car, how to drive a car. If you said how to drive a car, that's it, you did buy the car. Who's going to drive it? Okay, this means that you did hire somebody to drive you around. What is that? Well, if you did, like, you just did asks about something, but if you did forget the why and the how and the who, a little bit you are in trouble. Okay, so why a website? Website is to reach people. Okay, website is to reach people. What is a website? Website is a virtual place in marketing plan. Why would we have a marketing plan? Well, to reach people. Like why you did use the word marketing? Because marketing is a way to say, okay, here's an agent and here's more than one person. Okay, like where you can do some marketing in the street map. What is my, like, if you said I don't have a website, what is my other options? 3 square mile, 3 mile square, 3 mile square. That will be the marketing. Like if you say, if you do have a map, open it, look at the map, look at it, and if you decided 3 miles in a city, that will be the word marketing. Here's many people. If you decided to look at a complete city or a complete country, that will be public relation. Okay, good. If you said where, like for example, here's a hotel, you are going for some hotel, or you are going for some address, and so on. So the idea of a business address is not, no, it's not. Just we have access on people who can help us. When, like, that will be an appointment, that will be a help, and that will be to provide. Now, how to put it right? This is how to put it right. Put it right. Okay, that will be customer service, or how can I help you? Okay, website allow us to reach people. Give me an example of that. Give me a direct example of that. I will show you that. Okay, here's this website, and here is this thing. If I said this, okay, I did share it with people. Okay, I did share this virtual place with people, but I didn't. Now, if I said these words, everybody, hi, I did find that I did use this person. Well, I did find this people, that I did find that these people provide websites services, and they like services helping you to reach more people with a beautiful, with a nice website design as a virtual place, as their virtual, as a virtual place on marketing plan, as a virtual place. Okay, hi, I did find that these people provide website services helping you to reach more people. They are like helping you to reach more people. And with a nice like with a nice website design, as virtual place, sharing the website, sharing the website, sharing like by just sharing the website, by just sharing, the website. How? By just sharing the website. Okay. The new website. Okay. So this is why a website good. If I want to share these people here, as you can see, example, this was my network, marketing, example. This is asking people to share your help with their friends, and fam. Okay, that's it. You can find, like, why if you did click here, you can find the website here, and so on and so on. Okay, this was now just yeah, me, yeah, Feras answering. Why website design for a virtual place for marketing, virtual place. Okay, so I did type something here. I did commit, like, we call this my personal thing. Okay, and I did share it with my friends. Okay, so we are done here. Okay, I did click it. So as you can see here, it's also shareable. You can comment, you can like, but this is what we call network marketing. This is what we call your you can ask anybody to do this for you. Good. So this can find you, like, this can help you to find customers. Okay, reaching more people. Now let's get to what we did build to help these people. This one. Are you looking for new people to help with your ideas and solution? Testing ideas industry with awesome mobile friendly landing pages and websites for marketing plans, virtual places. By the way, website hosting plans are available, and media solution for pull and push marketing. And if you said, oh, okay, I did this, here's something called the open graph protocol. Like, the website here doesn't have any, like, this work here with no open graph. Like, you can copy paste it and decide your own. Let me open it with Notepad. Okay, if you oh boy, and this is what okay, if you said, okay, let me share the open graph thing. Let me find open graph. This thing, how to decide this image, how to decide this website, how to decide this title and this text. Okay, how to decide this. You can find it on like, you can cheat it. Open graph here. We can find it here. Let me find the link here. Open graph protocol. Okay, any website now can be a rich object. This thing, this image, this title, this content. Okay, if you did copy paste something, well, let me have an example here. Let me have an example here. Open a graph, a full image. This will explain it. Okay, but I usually I do look at somebody opening graph thing, okay, and take it. Like for example, any website. Lewagoon have a nice opening graph. Lewagoon. Let me have it. Come on, where's the website? This Lewagoon thing. Okay, let me have this here. View page thing. Okay, this is their opening graph thing, from here to here. This is their opening graph. They decided the image for Twitter. They decided the image for Facebook thing. Here's the image thing for Facebook, and they decided the content on Google. Now they said, okay, change your life, learn to code. Lewagoon is ranked at the best coding bootcamp. They did say this. So Lewagoon, these people are Lewagoon, HTML and CSS. Also, if you are into learning how to build a website, you can find that video here. This is the how to build a website thing. This is a landing page, testing ideas industry. Okay, this view here can help you with media. They can help you with hosting and administrating that thing. They can help you with building the website. They have that ability. Here's their phone number: 775-453-6253. 453-62535. Let's repeat it: 775-453-6253. Have a great rest of the day, and bye bye.